let's correct the division review form, okay? So first question says, a truck transports 28,248 bottles of orange juice in boxes containing 2 dozen in each. How many boxes are there in that truck? So the total of bottles of orange juice is here. 2 dozens is the same as 24 bottles. So I have to take the total of bottles of orange and divide by 24, okay? And this division at the end will give me 1,177 boxes. The second question, check the correct alternatives. The first says, in the exact division, the rest is different from 0. This is wrong because the definition of exact division is that the rest or the remainder is 0. Then 0 divided by 3 is equals to 0. That's true. 3 divided by 4 by 0, 0. This is wrong. It doesn't make this is not possible, this division, okay? Then divided in any number by 1 results in the number itself. That's true. For example, 3 divided by 1 is 3. And then it says dividend divided by divisor is equals to the quotient plus the remainder, or is the same as quotient times divisor per rest is the same as dividend, and it's true as well. Okay? Question 4. In a division, if the divisor is d, the largest possible remainder will be d minus 1. Let's see an example. Let's say 6 divided by some 4, which is 1, the remainder is 2. But if I put any number divided by 4, I have the quotient, and the biggest remainder I can have is 3. Because if it was 4, I could continue making the division, which is not the situation, okay? Then, question 4. In a division, the largest possible remainder is 6. Knowing the quotient is 3, what is the value of the dividend? So the divisor is the same as 3 times the dividend plus 6. So if the remainder is 6, the biggest the dividend just can be 7, okay? Because the remainder is the biggest one, that is 6, so it has to be 7. Then 5. In a school, there are 540 students who will be divided into groups of 35 to participate in a parade. How many complete groups will be formed? And how many students would it take to complete another group? So I have to take 540 students, divide by 35. This division gives me 15 as a result, but it's less 15. This remainder, for I complete another group of 35, I have to do 35 minus 15. Yes? And this is giving me 20, is the lack of students that misses for I form another group. Question 6. What is the quotient of divide 0 by 5? 0 by 5. So the quotient is 0, yeah? And that is an exact result. And what is the quotient of dividing 5 by 0? It doesn't exist. It's not possible, this division. Question 7. In a division, the divisor is 18 and the rest is 7. What is the largest number that we can add to the dividend without changing the quotient? So look at this. I have a division, the quotient is 18. So the biggest remainder I can have is 17, right? But I already have 7. So the biggest remainder I can have here for I form 17 is when I add 10 to my dividend, okay? So the result is 10. Why? Because if I put a bigger number, a greater number like 11, I will complete a number 18 and then my quotient will change. Question 8. Which of the expressions below are correct? Look, I start here. The first expression, 6 times 4 is 14. 24. 24 plus 5 is 25. sorry, 29, and it's okay, it's correct, this expression. I found what the expression said. Then 24 minus 12 is 12, divided by 2 is 6, 6 times 3 is 18, and it said it was 17, it's wrong. Then 30 divided by 2 is 15, 15 times 3 is 45, and it said it is 8, so it's wrong. Then here I do 9 minus 5 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 60 divided by 6 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20, 100 plus 20 is 120, and it's correct. Then 9. In 11,520 minutes, how many hours are there and how many days? So hours, I take the total and divide by 60. I found 192 hours, and it's an exact division. This is the quantity of hours. Now I have to see the quantity of days. One day has 24 hours, so I have to take this result and divide by 24. This gives me 8, and it lasts 0. So I have a total of 192 hours and 8 days. Question 10. In an exact division, the dividend is 2,337 and the quotient is 19. What is the value of the divisor and the rest? So I have this divided by d, the divisor that I don't know is 19. The remainder is 0. So for I find the dividend, I have to take this result and divide by 19, which is going to give me 123. Okay? I hope you understand. If you have any doubts, you ask me. Okay? Thank you.